you can get none by run, baby, bye. I can get the real love all your time. I just need your heart to see. I just need the air.
Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. Today is Crazy Saturday hair day, but we gonna fix that with Klaiyihair. Yes, today's sponsor is Klaiyihair. Thank you for sponsoring this video. And once you see the green bag, you know what time it is. We're gonna go inside and see all the goodies. I'm really excited about this video because it's a special wig and it's a special color. I'm just gonna get into it and tell you guys about it, and let's go look at it. Okay, as per usual, the wig is in a bag which is secure. We got some goodies. We got some nails. Yes, stop paying those people to get their nails done. We have some hair clip, wig cap, and of course the edge band for the edges. Now, like I said, wig is secure. We are gonna go in, and it's a winter color, guys. It's a curly hair, yes, because I'm gonna show you guys. We got tab, pre everything, okay? So you guys can do glueless. You don't have to install with no spray, no glue, no nothing. Just use these on the sides and boom, the wig is done. However, the wig is beautiful. I believe it's a 24 inches. This is pre everything, pre-cut, pre-bleach, ready to go wig. Look at that, the knots. They are perfectly bleached, so this will suit any hair color. Doesn't matter your complexion, it's gonna fit because the knots are bleached. Now you can add makeup for extra coverage, but perfectly fine. We do have a cap with a comb at the back. You guys already know by now I love my wigs with a comb at the back because it helps to keep it secure. We have the adjustable band which goes side to side, and it's very adjustable. And guess what they did? The color of the band matches the color of the hair. Did y'all bleach the band? No, they didn't, but that's perfect. Now this is a plum color. I know it might look a little bit, it's a purple, it's giving purple vibe. It looks dark right here, you know, but I'm gonna install this and show you guys. Like I was saying, it's a water wave texture, and this, you can wet this, define it. It's gonna can be big and fluffy if you want. Diffuse it, you can dry the wig, but I love the curls, and the plum color is different. It gives a different effect in light, in different light. So you guys might be seeing it a little bit dark, but I will show you guys once we're done installing that. And that's what I like, when you have a hair with such color, and you can also, it gives black, you can wear it anywhere. So first things first, we're gonna prepare here. And like I said, it's a 13x4 parting space. You can do a bust down, whether you want to do an updo, you want to bring it sideways, you want to do center part, whatever you want. You can freelance because it's a 13x4. And not because it's a 13x4 doesn't mean it's not beginner friendly, okay? Because it has the hair tabs. As long as the width is, the wig, sorry, is snug on your head, then you can use the tabs at the sides and bring it down. Understand me? Anybody can install their wigs. It takes practice, it takes time. So you guys can visit the website, get the wig. If you're into this color, it will be there for you easy. I'm coming here to show you guys hairstyle. I might do two different hairstyles. We might do the side part, and we might do a half up, half down, or we just do a pin up, because I love to pin up my curly hairs. Like, perfect for me. Now with all my wigs, I go ahead and I add the HD lace, the cap. Once I add that, we're gonna draw it back, and we're gonna see how the wig fits on the head. Now guys, with the wig like this, obviously you're gonna have to style it, but I want to show you guys the lace. Now with the tabs, all you have to do is put it down and you got the perfect wig. This is what I like, when I get a wig that I can put on without worrying about too much space or have to cut it. I love that. So this is very beginner friendly, even though it's a 13 by 4. Boom, put on the tab, because right here is already secure, as you guys can see, and then you put the other one down. Easy does it. Now I am feeling the side way. I know once I freelance this, get it the right way, it's gonna look super cute. I want it to look as natural as possible. So we are gonna go in and we're gonna install this. I'm definitely gonna, I don't even need to add any makeup to the lace. I'm not gonna kid you guys, look at that. And I have the cap on and it just looks beautiful. We're just gonna add a little bit of makeup right there once we're done. But this is how it looks. It's perfect. I cannot wait to go in. Now the first thing is pinning up the sides. I got so much clips from y'all. I got more, okay? This is not even the new one. And I have more. 2 sets. So I'm gonna use the 2 black ones and we're gonna pin that up. Now, I am going to see if I need to add the tabs, which no, I'm gonna spray it because I want this to last. We're gonna go in and spray the wig because I really want it to last. Let me get my blow dryer situated, and this is literally gonna take me no more than 15 minutes to get done. I use the blow dryer to speed up the process. So we're gonna go in with the lace spray. And because the wig is snug, I'm not gonna add a lot. Normally I'll do 3 or 4. We're just gonna do 2 and bring it all over to the sides. And that should be it. Let's clean it off a little. Guys, see how easy that was? That was super easy because the wig already fits my head. I didn't even add the makeup to it, so I like that. As for the tabs, I will take these off. Already know how to use these, so if you guys really want to use the tabs, you can go ahead and use it. Hopefully I can take it off now. So all I'm gonna do is add the spray to this part of it and bring the sides down, because the wig fits the head perfect. Let's try to take these off. It's very easy to come off, and that's why they give you so much for you to change it out. You can apply these daily, and there we go. So that is off. I am going to use a little bit more spray for the sides. Alright guys, the wig is on and it is secure. I always like to go in with my hot comb. If you guys look at that lace, oh. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the tweezer, I'm just gonna pluck a little bit. Just go in. I like to do that. I feel like when you pluck the wig on your head, it gives it, you have more control of how you want your hair to look and the wig to look on your head. So I'm just gonna go in with the tweezer. Make sure you hold the lace, because if you pluck too much, that can be a problem. Now the wig doesn't need plucking, it's preference.
Say you're happy now. Hope you're happy now. I wish I could bank on us.
This is how the wig looks as is. I'm gonna go in for that more natural look. I'm gonna take out some of the hair. I am gonna use the scissors, cut it down.
Play with me, babe, play with me, baby. Play with me, babe, play with me, baby. Play a little game with you, cause if you wanna stay, then I'll play with my yeah. You playing with my yeah. You playing with my you playing with me, oh boy. Take me over, I know you got the run. Oh, take me under, I want you to be mine. Oh, you can get none, baby, run, baby, bye. I can get the real love.
Alright guys, this is how the sides look, as natural as possible. I'm gonna go in, we're gonna tie down around with a band, and I will be defining the curls a little bit more. So let's go ahead and do that.
Hey, let it out, take it back, talking shit all you do. Couldn't help thinking about it you put me through. More than your behavior. But if you think I'm gonna stay, then you can get way. You can get way. Then you can get way.
Alright guys, I went all day with this wig. Now I'm here to style it again. I had to go on the road, and this is like wearing it for probably 8 hours or so. So this is how it looks. You can wear it as is. All I did, I had it pinned up and stuff like that, so you guys can wear it as is, as this. But for some reason, I feel like I want to show you guys how you can pin it up. Girl, this is it. The color is so beautiful. So many people said to me today, oh, I love your hair color, because it's giving black, but then when it's daytime you can see the color, so it's perfect if you're wearing this at work or anything. I really want to pin this part up. I've never worn my hair like this, but because this wig can freelance, I love that. So I'm going to use some big bobby pins and try to pin it up. So we're trying to create a hairstyle right now.
No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart is when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. It's just not impossible. No, we all gonna suffer.
Alright guys, this is how the hair look with the updo. I did a pin up and then I sweep the front around. I actually like it like this. Anything updo, give it to me, and I like that. So with that being said, this is it. This is it. If you want to wear it in the updo, I showed you guys how it was down, but we're gonna leave it like this. The wig came with the same exact parting. I didn't have to do nothing. That's how versatile this wig is. I can still do an updo with the parting. So with that being said, I want to thank Klaiyihair once more for sponsoring this video. I know the color is not that bright, but that's what I like about this. The wig is perfect for the winter time, and once you're in the sun, I can see the purple, but the lighting, it's not giving right now. So I kind of like it like this. It's not showing too low, but when you go out in actually the sunlight, or if you're in person, then you're gonna see it. So thank you guys so much for watching. All the links will be in the description, so make sure you check it. If you need this wig or you want to check out their website, make sure you check the description. and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Now, hope you're happy now. I wish I could bank on us, on us. You can get none, bye bye, run baby bye. I can get the real love all your time. I just need your heart to see. I just need the air you breathe. Play with me, babe, play with me, baby. Play with me, babe, play with me, baby. Play a little game with you, cause if you wanna stay, then I'll play with my heart, yeah, yeah, yeah. You playing with my heart, yeah, yeah, yeah. You playing with my heart, wow, wow. You playing with me, oh boy. Take me over, I know you got the run. Oh, take me under, I want you to be mine. Oh, you can get none, bye bye, run baby bye. I can get the real love all your time. I just need your heart to see. I just need the air you breathe. But you can get one. You can get one from me. One from me. You can get one from me.